going to show you guys how to do acrylic paint nail art using just Craft Smart paint. And it is water-based, so you gotta shake them up, but I actually use the lids as my palette. So we're gonna do flowers. It's gonna be really fun. You're gonna love it. The key to this design is to always have a lighter color and a darker color. All right, these are the colors we're using. So here I started with Tammy's Color of the Year 2025, and I cured it for 60 seconds. I still have the tacky layer on here. Let's start. So I'm just going to use a striper brush for this entire design, and these are really cheap, so it doesn't matter if you mix them up. So get both colors on your brush. This is what adds dimension to the petals. We're just gonna make happy little petals, you know? If you feel like you need more of one color than the other, just don't be scared. Cute. Okay, let's do the middle. I'm gonna take some yellow and just add some happy little dots in the middle. Okay, let's move on to a different flower. Let's do blue. Just dip your brush in the blue. I'm gonna go for it. I guess this could be called baby's breath, but baby's breath is usually white. What would these be called? Tell me in the comments. What flower am I making? I feel like I had a bush with flowers like this once growing up, but it was purple. That's cute. Okay, let's do another flower. Let's do, what other flowers exist? You know when you just have a brain fart? I'm gonna do little, some more of this one. Little like crescent moons. And just keep layering the crescent moons. Flowers are not perfect. This is why I love doing flowers. And also, if you've been following me for a while, I like to use all the colors. Like as many as I can fit on a nail, I'm going to use all the colors. That's cool. All right. I think now we're just going to fill in with green. You don't want it too thick on your brush because we still want this to dry. This is going to air dry. Little flowers. Did I say flowers? I meant leaves. That's okay. We welcome mistakes here. That's cute. Should I do one more right here? No, just keep it simple. Okay, this just has to dry. It really doesn't take long to dry, but but I have a mini blow dryer to kind of speed things up that I keep on low and cool, because if you have it on full blast it'll wrinkle everything and you don't want that. So I'll be right back. Okay, typically I do kind of smaller flowers and many of them, but I felt like you wouldn't be able to see them, so I did them larger today, and it still looks cute. Get your top coat. This is a no wipe gel top coat. Cover the whole nail. Get those sides really good too, and the free edge. Cure this for 60 seconds. I feel like knowing how to use these little art paints opens up a world of possibilities for your creative mind. You don't have to do this. You can do whatever you want. Okay, bye.